Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the strawberry brainrot animal. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's draw a long curve across at the top. Now from the ends, we're going to curve it in, bringing it down to the bottom, meeting at a point. Now let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start with two curves down, leaving a gap in the center near the top. Now from the center, let's draw a wavy line out. And the same thing at the bottom. Now let's add one more curve on top of each eyebrow. Now let's hop underneath and we're going to draw the eyes. Let's start with a curve out. Then we're going to hop in and let's draw a curve down underneath. And then let's curve it out and up. Now we're going to hop inside and let's draw a circular curve down and up from the top. And then inside each one, let's draw a circle on the top left corner. Now let's add the pupil by starting underneath and let's draw a curve down and bring it up on the right side. And color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and draw the nose. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a curve down and up. And then let's add a bump out on both sides. Now let's hop underneath and let's add the mouth. Let's start with a line across. And then for the upper lip, let's draw a small V shape and bring it down on both sides. Then let's add a curve underneath for the bottom lip. And then a small curve on each side. And that's it for the face. Next, let's add the seeds of the strawberry. Let's start at the top in the center and let's draw a small teardrop shape. And now let's do the same thing all over the body. And that's it for the seeds. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw two curves going up like this. And then let's curve it down on both sides. And add another curve up from the bottom inside the center. Now for the next leaf, let's draw a curve out and down on both sides. and another curve up from the bottom. And then let's add one more smaller one on each side at the bottom. Now we're going to hop back to the center and let's draw another leaf by drawing 2 curves up, leaving a gap at the top. Now let's add a curve across and a V-shaped point inside underneath. And then one more line up in the center. Now let's hop back out to the top left and let's draw a wavy line out and down, and the same on the other side. And let's bring it back in underneath in the same way. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move back down and draw the arms. Let's start on both sides and let's draw 2 curves going out, leaving a gap in between. Now at the end, let's draw a curve out and back in. Now we're going to move back in and let's draw another curve underneath. Now for the next part of the arm, let's start on top and let's draw a wavy line up. Then from the bottom, let's draw a curve out. And another longer wavy line up, like this. Now at the top, let's draw the hands. Let's start at the top and let's draw a curve over and up towards the center. Then from the end, let's draw another curve back out and curve it back down. Now inside, let's draw 3 curves for the fingers. And lastly, let's add a bump underneath for the thumbs. Now underneath the hand, let's draw a curve inside the arm here. And one more wavy line underneath. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop down and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 curves down and out underneath the body. And 2 more on the outside. Now from the outside, let's draw a bump down. And a longer one on the inside. And lastly, inside the legs, let's draw 2 curves in the top section. And 1 in the bottom. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the shoes. Let's start underneath the outside line and let's draw a curve across. Then let's bring it down from each end. And close it off at the bottom for the tongues of the shoes. Now next to the tongue on the inside, let's draw a curve over and across. Now let's hop in underneath and let's draw 2 lines down for the backs of the shoes. And then we're going to hop out and let's bring it out and curve it down. And now let's close off the bottom of each shoe with a line across. Now we're going to hop inside and draw some details. We'll start by drawing another line across at the bottom. And then on top, let's draw a curve down. And then an angled line across the shoe. Now inside this top section, let's draw some angled lines for the shoelaces. And that's it for this brainrot strawberry. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!